Hello everyone, Beavers here. In this video, I am going to show you how to buy Flysky GT3C or any Flysky AFHDS transmitter to Sinohobby Mini-Q 2-in-1 unit and how to set it up properly. First, hold the buy button on the 2-in-1 unit and turn it on. You'll see the LED blinking rapidly. Now, hold the buy button on the transmitter and turn it on. You see that now the 2-in-1 unit is blinking slowly, which means binding is completed. Now you can turn the car and the transmitter off. Let's check if it's working. Turn the transmitter on first, then the car. You'll see that now it is working with this transmitter. Next, I'm going to set the channel reverse and endpoint adjustment or EPA. First, check if the steering direction is correct. If not, reverse the channel 1. Then press enter to save the setting. Next, check if the throttle is correct. If it doesn't go forward, brake reverse. You need to reverse the channel too. As for the EPA, look at the channel 1 for steering. Turn it down until the wheel doesn't rub against the shock absorber. Once this side is finished, do this to the other side as well. Again, don't forget to press enter to save the setting after adjusting it. You can also do this to channel 2 to limit the throttle. And that's it. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.